eastern Seminole County in east central Florida, eastern Orange County in east central Florida, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bithlo, moving west at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oviedo, Winter Springs, Wedgefield, Avalon Park, and University of Central Florida. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is also occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, lightning can strike beyond 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.